Affirmations for pregnancy after loss. In the shadow of loss, new lights begin to emerge. Each heartbeat reminds us that hope pursues. Through tears of yesterday, we find strength for tomorrow. The journey of renewal starts with a single step forward. In the echoes of loss, we discover the symphony of resilience. With every flutter, we reclaim pieces of our shattered dreams. In the silence, we hear the whisper of hope. Each new day brings the promise of brighter tomorrow. Middle of the pain, love finds a way to bloom once more. Our scars become the roadmap to newfound joy. Through the darkness, we emerge into the light of possibility. With every kick, we feel the heartbeat of hope. In the embrace of uncertainty, we find the courage to hope again. Each milestone reached is a victory over despair. From the ashes of sorrow, hope rises like a phoenix. Through the tears, we learn to dance in the rain of hope. With each sunrise, we are reminded of the beauty of new beginnings. In the silence of anticipation, we hear the whisper of new chapter. Please follow for more pregnancy positivity.